Hello students, your Gaurav sir is back with very interesting story of your English book, chapter number 2. The Needy King and a Sack. Sack means it's a scent. Okay? So, it is not good to be greedy. So students, we should not be greedy. A greedy man loses his natural virtues. Sometimes it can change a good man into a criminal. So, the greed can change a common man into a criminal. So, students, it's not bad to have desire, but it's bad to lose our peace of mind after them. So, we have only one life, so we should enjoy it. So students, in that story also, a saint found a coin on the road. And who was the greedy person? Who had greed? Who has more need? So what was the whole story? So be with me and listen carefully. So students, one day a sag was passing through the capital of the famous king. While he was walking, he noticed a gold coin on the road. So he found a gold coin on the road. He picked it up. He was satisfied with a simple living and he had no use of that coin. Means Saint had no use of this particular coin. So he planned to donate it to one who is need of it. Means the sag planned to give it to another one. Means those who are needy, I'll give it to another one. He strolled around the street throughout the day, but he did not find anyone such. So finally he reached the rest area and spent a night there. So what happened at the next day? So students, the next morning, the sag woke up in the morning for his daily activities. He saw the king was going for his invasion. Invasion means the king go for attacking on another country. Okay, with armed force. That's called invasion. So, the king was going for invasion of another state with his war ready army. Means his army was ready and he was going there. When the king saw the sag standing, he ordered his army to be stopped. He came to the sag and said, "Oh great sag, I am going to war to win another state so that my state can be expanded. So bless me to be victorious." So students, what the king said? The king said that bless me to be victorious. I could win the another state and I will add that state also in my state and I will enlarge my state. Okay, so the king said to that to a sag. After thinking, the sag gave the gold coin to the king. The king was confused and annoyed with his because what use he had for a single coin while he was already one of a richest king. He curiously asked the sag, "What's the meaning of this one coin?" Means he was already king, so he had a lot of money, lot of coins in his estate. So what's the use of that single one coin? So he asked that to sag. The sag explained, "Oh great king, I found that coin yesterday on the road while I was strolling around the street of your capital city, but I had no use of it. So I had decided that I will donate it to someone needy. I strolled around the evening in your capital, but I found no one such. I could not find a needy person in your state. Everyone was living a happy lifestyle. It seemed that they were satisfied with what they had. So I found no one to give this coin. But today, the king of the state still have the desire to gain more and not satisfied with what he already has. So I felt you were the need of this coin. Okay, so why the sag gave? Because the king had that much, but he had agreed to fight with another kingdom and add that kingdom also in his kingdom. So students, the king realized his mistake and he gave up the planned war. He thanked the sag for opening his eyes and returned to his palace. So he came back to his palace. So this story teaches us that we all should learn to be happy with what we have. Yes, we all desire more and better than we already have, but do not waste a chance of enjoying what you already have. So there are those who may not have what you have, and there will be some who have lots more than you have. So don't always compare. Be happy and live a healthy life with that thought that God has given to you much and you are satisfied with it, and live your life happily. Okay? I hope all of you have understood this story that we should not greed. You will have to write down the hard meaning of this chapter, and I will send you the question and answer and solution of this chapter with a PDF. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you.